In this video, I'll show you how to open Safari settings on your Mac. This is where you can change things like your homepage, privacy settings, search engine, extensions, tabs, passwords, and much more. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari on your Mac. Once Safari is open, move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on Safari in the menu bar next to the Apple logo. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Settings. On some older versions of macOS, this may say Preferences instead. As soon as you click it, the Safari settings window will open. Inside, you'll see different tabs at the top such as General, Tabs, Autofill, Passwords, Search, Security, Privacy, Websites, and Extensions. You can click on any of these sections to customize how Safari works on your Mac. For example, in the General tab, you can change your home page. In the Search tab, you can switch your default search engine. And in Extensions, you can manage or remove Safari extensions. There's also a faster way to open Safari settings using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Command and comma at the same time on your keyboard while Safari is open. That will instantly open the settings window, and that's how to open Safari settings on Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.